Hi guys, hopefully you will be doing well. Welcome to my Lexinues Tech channel. Kindly like, subscribe and share my Lexinues Tips Tech channel so that you can find my upcoming videos. So today we will discuss about how build a gaming PC for $500. So it's very easy, and as $500 gaming PC build is for when you still want to foundation to upgrade from in the future while having solid performance right out of the gate. When it's come to starting out with a dedicated CPU and being able to game decently well to 1080p, then this is the kind of build go for it. Also provides foundation for an upgrade path if you were ever feel through the need for better performance in the future. If you want to know how to build a gaming PC for around $500 price point, then you should follow the part list below. This guide will show you how to go about building as well as share what you can expect out of a build like this. Gaming performance 500 Game Ring today will set you up with the solid gaming performance, extra storage and an Intel upgrade path. Combined with an Intel Core i3 gives you enough performance power for 1080p gaming for most of the today more demanding AA title. At high graphics setting, and you can expect this build to run game like Grand Theft Auto, Fortunate, Dome External 75 FPS, Cyberpunk Red. If you are looking for a starter gaming ride that comes with the dedicated GPU is meant for a solid 60 FPS 1080p gaming experience, then these are the parts that you should move forward with. How to build this under 500 gaming PC? I would highly recommend it following something like the video guide below. When it comes to putting this PC together, it's a great guide and it's easy to follow. There may be some parts that are different from this build in the video embedded below, and that's okay. If there's another part that you don't understand, then you should look through the manual of the part and look up other video as well. If you find yourself having trouble understanding a certain part, then you should always search for the specific part and how to install it on YouTube. There are plenty of videos out there showcasing how each part can be installed. For example, if you are not sure how to install your solid state drive, then simply search how to install a solid state drive into PC on YouTube and you will find plenty of material to follow. Also, you don't have to use the above case for your build. So definitely guys, there is a lot of many videos on YouTube. You can find there how to install Windows, how to install drivers, how to install RAMs, a lot of things, a lot of materials there on YouTube. There's also you can find my Lexinues Tech channel. A lot of material is there on my channels about how to install Windows, how to install drivers, how to install applications, how to install Play Stores. So all these things are laying there. You can use almost any other mine tower case, or if the above case is not your style, feel free to browse the mine tower cases and on Amazon, and if you find one that you think you would like to use, link it to me in the comments below and I will be able to let you know if it would work or not. After putting your rig together, you will need to install your operating system, drivers and other software. You will also need to get connected online. There are a couple of posts here on the site that you should read up on if you need to know how to install your operating system as well as getting connected online. There are a couple of videos on my channel, Lexinues Tech channel, so you should go there and visit the site and hopefully install your operating system as well as getting connected online. So guys, it's requested to you, kindly like, subscribe and share my Lexinues Tech channel so that you can get notified for my upcoming videos, and I'm sure it will be more productive and useful for you. Thanks a lot for watching my videos.